Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the discounts in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then look for the bundle discounts button and click on that. So first you need to enable to select the discounts. You can do that by clicking on the black circle next to it. And as you can see, you can set up discounts for 2 items, 3 items and 5 items, and you can choose the amount of percentage that you want to set for each. So for example, if you want to give like 20% for 3 items and like 30% for 5 items, you can do that. It's completely up to you. And once you set it, it is saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.